Most people waste time clicking through endless menus just to create a simple desktop shortcut. What if I told you there's a hidden folder in Windows that gives you instant access to every single application on your computer? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest method to create shortcuts, pin apps to your taskbar, and organize your start menu like a pro. Let's jump right in. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is open the Run dialog. Click on the Start menu and type Run in the search bar, and you should see Run at the top of the search results. Just click on it to open the Run dialog. You can also open the Run dialog instantly by pressing the Windows key and R together. Once the Run dialog is open, type in this command, then click OK. And just like that, we now have a complete list of all apps inside this applications folder. This is essentially every program installed on your computer in one convenient location. To create a desktop shortcut for any application, simply right-click on the app you want and select Create Shortcut from the menu. Prompt will pop up asking for confirmation. Click Yes to proceed. There we go. As you can see, the Adobe Premiere Pro shortcut has been added to the desktop. That was pretty quick, right? Now, you might notice this shortcut name comes with a shortcut suffix at the end. If that bothers you, you can easily rename it however you like. But here's an even better method. Instead of renaming the application shortcut after it's been added to the desktop, you can right-click on the application here in the Apps folder, then select Open File Location. This takes you directly to the original shortcut location. Now, right-click on this shortcut and send it to the desktop. In this case, the shortcut added to your desktop will have the actual application name without that annoying shortcut suffix. Much cleaner, right? You can repeat this process and make desktop shortcuts for every application you have installed on your computer. You can also pin shortcuts directly to your taskbar for even faster access. To do that, just right-click on any application and select Pin to Taskbar. The application shortcut will instantly appear on your taskbar. This is honestly the simplest and quickest way to pin an app shortcut to your taskbar without dragging and dropping or searching through menus. You can also pin an application shortcut to the Start menu for quick access. Just right-click on the app you want and choose Pin to Start. And there you have it! That application shortcut is now pinned to your Start menu, making it super easy to find whenever you need it. And that's it! You now know the absolute fastest way to create desktop shortcuts, pin apps to your taskbar, and organize your Start menu in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.